Did you know there's a business where a single customer can be worth over $500,000 and sometimes even more? Not $500,000 from hundreds of customers, $500,000 from just one customer. Does that sound crazy? I thought so too when I first started in this industry over 25 years ago. But after building multiple cleaning businesses in multiple markets and generating multiple seven figures from these businesses alone and helping thousands of other cleaning business owners, I can tell you this. It's an absolute reality. And once you understand why it's possible, you'll never look at this business the same way again. Then, while everyone else is obsessed with getting more customers, more leads, more followers, more traffic, more volume, you and I can focus on making way more money from the right customers. So I'm going to show you why the cleaning industry creates some of the highest value customers you'll find anywhere. And then you'll understand why so many people are building life-changing businesses in this massive industry that most people completely overlook. And if you'd like my help building a highly profitable cleaning business of your own, there's a link below where you can learn more about working with me. But for now, let's get to work. The first thing I would want if I was you is proof. So for starters, this industry is currently valued at over $400 billion. And in the next decade, it's projected to grow to over $750 billion. And the vast majority of that value comes from recurring cleaning clients, not one-time cleaning clients. So think dual income households in residential cleaning, in large offices and commercial. And when you hear people talk negatively about this industry, and they say things like, the profit margins are bad, or all clients are cheap, or even, I can't find anyone good to work for me. The problem is never the industry, it's their business model and the clients they're going after. Here's what I mean. In my first cleaning business, I focused on luxury residential, and I had many clients who had annual cleaning budgets of around $50,000. And yes, as crazy as it may sound to you, there are homeowners who budget $1,000 per week or more just for cleaning. So what happens when your cleaning business does a good job for those clients? They stay for a very long time. Keep a client like that in your business for just 5 years, which is very common in residential cleaning, and their lifetime value ends up being about $250,000. And that's being conservative, since I had many clients in my residential cleaning business for 10 years and beyond. And people brand new to this industry can land these high value clients too, like my client Sulmaz here, who just landed a residential client worth over $40,000 a year. And the same is true in commercial cleaning. I currently have commercial clients with LTVs over $500,000, specifically big commercial spaces with annual cleaning budgets of around $100,000 or more. Keep one of those clients for just 5 years, and you're at $500,000 from just one client. In fact, I have had commercial clients like this in my cleaning business for over 8 years now. And again, my students land high value clients too, like Shauna, who re-signed the $60,000 a year client. And maybe you're thinking this, I believe it's possible, but isn't there tons of operational complexity? Not really, and the reason is simple. These large commercial clients really only care about a few things: clean floors, clean glass, clean bathrooms, clean break rooms, and regular dusting. These are not super detail-oriented clients, and they value consistent service, like just showing up, far more than they value perfect cleaning. So there's the proof. Now let's talk strategy. How do you find and land these high-value recurring clients? It's really not as hard as you might think, for two primary reasons. Number one, people already need and pay for cleaning. And number two, these clients need it on an ongoing basis, which is very different from many other local service businesses. For example, think about a plumber. How often do you call them? Maybe every few years, if that? What about a painter? Maybe every 5 or 10 years. What about a roofer? Maybe once every 20 years. Now think about cleaning. How long does a clean house stay clean? Not very long, usually a week or 2 weeks at the most. What about an office? Quite often, those need to be cleaned every single day. The point being, humans create messes. Businesses create messes. Buildings create messes, which means cleaning is not an event, it's a recurring need, and recurring needs create recurring revenue. And this is one of the biggest reasons I love this industry so much, because when you do a great job, clients don't stop using your business. Their house gets dirty again, their office gets dirty again, their vacation rental gets dirty again. The need never goes away, and that changes everything from a business perspective. If someone pays you once, you have to start all over tomorrow. Find another customer, make another sale, close another deal. But when an office manager hires you for a daily service, or a homeowner hires you for a weekly service, now you're creating stability and freedom. And the potential lifetime values of these clients should change how you sell these clients. So how differently would you treat a client if you knew they could be worth $250,000 to your business over time? Quite likely very differently, because you'd realize they're not just a transaction, they're an asset. And that's exactly how the most successful cleaning business owners think. And this is true for all client types. But let's talk about commercial clients for a minute. Commercial clients often spend thousands of dollars for cleaning every single month. Let's say you land an office building that pays $5,000 per month, like my student Shauna, who I mentioned earlier. That client is worth $60,000 per year. Then say they stay with you for 5 years. Again, very common. That's $300,000. One client, $300,000. And if they stay longer, which many do, the sky is the limit. As I said earlier, I currently have commercial clients with lifetime values exceeding $500,000, which means the title of this video isn't clickbait, it's reality. And again, these clients aren't looking for perfection, they're looking for reliability and professionalism. That's it. A cleaning business that answers the phone, shows up, communicates well, and just does what they say they'll do. Those things alone put you ahead of 99% of your competition. And think about the potential of other businesses, like a coffee shop. Maybe a customer spends $5, which is great, but they need to come back hundreds or even thousands of times before they become truly valuable. Now, compare that to a cleaning client paying you thousands every month. The economics are just completely different. The relationship is deeper, the revenue is bigger, and the profit margins incredible. This is why I tell people all the time that cleaning is one of the most misunderstood industries in the world. People see a mop and a vacuum and assume it's a low-income business. But that's because they're looking at the task, not the earning potential. And those are two very different things. And cleaning businesses don't get paid because they know how to clean a bathroom. They get paid because they solve an ongoing problem, because they create peace of mind, and because they save people time, which is a client's most valuable resource. Now let's bring this all together. Most people spend their lives chasing transactions. One sale, one customer, one paycheck. Then they wake up every Monday morning back at zero. But the cleaning industry gives you something different. It gives you recurring revenue. It gives you predictability. It gives you control. It gives you customers who will stay with you for years or even decades. And that's the kind of customer retention that makes one client worth $500,000 or even more. And not because cleaning is magical or complicated, but because it solves a recurring problem that never goes away. And when you combine that with strong profit margins and low overhead, you end up with one of the most powerful business opportunities available today, and one that creates the personal and financial freedom you're after. If you'd like my help building exactly that kind of business, then click the link below to learn more about working with me. And remember, more profit equals more freedom.